There's something that my father-in-law said that has never left me. If you do quality, you'll never have an issue finding more work.
There's lots of contractors out there. There's lots of people that build decks and patio covers. But where we really excel is the overall experience.
We're really a high-touch construction company. The second that the job sells, then we are reaching out and saying, hey, we want to let you know what our customer service number is. We want to talk to you. Everybody's communicating at least on a weekly basis. It's really important for us, but that takes depth.
It goes all the way back to the folks that answer the phone when they take that initial call, all the way through to our final walkthrough on the job. When a customer can sit there and say, this turned out better than I expected, and by the way, you guys were the best contractor that we've ever worked with. It's really rewarding when you hear that.
We want your custom work. We want your hard work. We want the stuff that other contractors are opening their eyes and saying, how in the heck am I gonna bid this? How am I gonna do this work?
To be able to take what somebody has in their brain when you go out there and you meet with them for an hour or 2 hours and really help that come to life requires engineering understanding and permitting understanding and building knowledge and mastery and people skills. And finding people who have all that figured out when they come in, it doesn't exist. All of the folks I have working for me now have all really developed these skills, and I'm so proud of them.
What I'm most proud of working here is just the camaraderie of the team, doing everything together. We bring problems together, we solve them together. It's a nice environment that I haven't really had in the past.
I think it really comes down to building a place where people want to come to work and it's enjoyable and they love what they do and they feel a connection to the value and the underlying framework of our company, which is serving people.
It's really important that we do things right.
We're going to build structures that last and we stand by our builds.
We're not afraid to redo it if we make a mistake. Instead of just going, oh, I hope that doesn't cause a problem down the road, we've called the customer up and said, hey, we're going through auditing all of our closed out jobs and we noticed that we missed this piece of flashing. I'd like to send somebody out next week to take care of it.
We're going to do everything possible to make the customer absolutely ecstatic with their project. I mean, it's endless what you can do with your backyard space when you have the right vision and the right team to build it.
If you care about bringing people together and having an incredible outdoor living space for your family and friends, check out our website or give us a call.